sir, it is not started.
Not started.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So many of you guys are going to see recorded lecture as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir. For
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
references.
It's okay, Vishnu. It's okay.
Sir,
Sir, it started, sir.
thank you, sir.
Sir, it started.
Yeah, sir. It started now. It started now.
Started now.
Started, sir. Started.
Okay, okay, okay. Please
Hello?
mute yourself. Please mute. Please mute yourself.
Live
Started.
stream just started, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Shall we start now?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. Okay, so what is first question is saying? I think most of you guys already solved this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so by dividing a polynomial px with another polynomial qx, we get hx as quotient and rx as remainder. And we can write px as like this, qx into hx plus rx, right? So question is saying what is the minimum degree of rx can be? Okay, so how we can proceed? So suppose you have a polynomial px and you have another polynomial qx. And what you are doing? You are dividing this px you are dividing this px by qx. Okay, so as you know, whenever you divide this px by any polynomial qx, so you will get some quotient. Okay, you will get some quotient. Suppose what q1x, and here for this question it is hx, right? For this question it is hx. Okay, so you will get some quotient hx, and you will get another polynomial rx, which is known as remainder. And then you can easily write px like this, qx into hx plus rx, right? Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Please answer me. So it will be
Yes, sir.
more interactive kind of thing. Okay, so whenever you divide a polynomial by another polynomial, you always get two polynomial hx and rx, such that you can write this px like this, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So question is
Yes,
saying
sir.
what will be the minimum degree of this rx?
Zero.
Zero, right? Right? Okay.
Can
Excuse
be
me, sir.
power 1.
Okay. Yes, tell me.
Sir, what if the remainder is 0? Then the power should be undefined.
Yeah, the power should be undefined, but here we are considering the remainder is non-zero. Okay.
Okay.
If the remainder is zero, then there is no this is not the case of asking the power about the power of rx, right? Because for a zero polynomial, the degree is undefined, right? If the
Zero
degree is
polynomial
undefined, then there is, sorry.
in zero power that Rx is not here.
Yeah, yeah. If degree is undefined, then okay. If degree is undefined, then that is not the case of asking for their degree, right? Right? And we know that zero polynomial, degree of zero polynomial is not defined.
Yes.
Right? So we are not considering that particular that particular case. So here we are considering that, yeah, remainder term is non-zero. So what will be the smallest remainder in this case?
0, sir.
1.
No,
X raised to power 0.
No,
I am saying
constant
Rx
number.
is not equal to 0. Here I am not taking Rx is equal to 0. I am taking this course, this case.
Any constant except 0.
Yes.
Exactly. A constant except 0.
Yes.
Right? Right? Just like suppose you have px is equals to x plus 5, and you have qx is equals to
X plus 4.
what? X plus 4. Okay. And whenever you will divide this x plus 5 by x plus 4, how will you get? 1 times it will be x plus 4, and the remainder will be what? 1. So
Word.
this is the smallest remainder that you can have, that you can get, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Right.
Yes, sir.
In terms of degree, I am talking about in terms of degree, not in terms of number. Otherwise, someone will tell me, yes, sir, if I am getting -1, then this will become lesser than this, right?
No, sir. Yes.
Okay. So here I am talking about in terms of degree, right? Okay.
So,
Okay, we are not considering 0 because 0 can be written as 0x raised to the power something 3 plus x 0 into x raised to the power 2 plus 0 into x raised to the power 1. And someone will come to me and then he will say, sir, no, I am not happy with this 3. I will write it as like this. And some another guy will come to me and then he will say, no, sir, I am not happy with this as well. I will write like this, x raised to the power 10k. Okay, so that is why this zero polynomial does not have any degree, and we will say, yeah, zero polynomial, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes.
so we are not considering this case.
Hmm.
Okay, so what will be the minimum degree? What will be the minimum degree of Rx? Because we
1.
will say degree
Zero.
of Rx for this case. If I am writing a px like this, and this is my reminder, so we will say the degree of Rx should be strictly less than of, let me write on another page, the degree of Rx. Can someone tell me what it will be?
Yes, sir.
Degree of
One
Rx
Rx.
should be less than degree of QX,
Yes.
but greater than 0.
Degree of Rx should be less than, or it's strictly less than?
Strictly less.
Strictly less.
Strictly less than. Okay, so my question is why it is strictly less than? Can someone tell me?
क्योंकि सर अगर स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन नहीं होगा तो फिर से डिवाइड हो सकता है तो वो रिमाइंडर तो रहा ही नहीं.
Yes.
Sorry.
स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन नहीं होगा तो वो उससे क्यूएक्स से फिर से डिवाइड हो सकता है तो रिमाइंडर तो हो रहा है.
Exactly. If this is not strictly less than, suppose someone will come to me and he will ask, sir, no, I am not happy with that. I will take it. It is equal to degree of QX. He will say, sir, I am not happy with that. I am saying, yeah, this thing will happen. So what it will be? Now again, you just write it is like this.
It can be divisible.
Hx into what? Qx
QX plus
plus Rx. Okay, so you know this thing is totally divided by this. Okay, properly divided, exactly divided. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the degree of this is same as degree of this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever you will divide this, you will get a remainder term which has lesser degree than this. Suppose you are dividing this QX, you are dividing this Rx by this QX, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let me explain once. I am saying, suppose,
Sir, degree of Rx will be smaller than QX. No?
yeah, why it is, that's why that's what I am trying to explain you why it is like, there is some reason, that is why I am saying like that now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what is the reason? That is that thing I am trying to explain you.
Yes.
Okay, because questions are easy, but if you don't know the concept, then how will you proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
I am trying to explain you why it is. Okay, so suppose degree of QX is exactly same as degree of Rx. And what you are saying this Rx is reminder of this Px. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
suppose just suppose that this polynomial is looking like this. A1 x raised to the power k and something ak. So you know what will be the further term? Ak minus 1
X to the power k minus 1.
AK
x raised to the
K
power
minus
k
1.
minus 1
Yes.
and a naught will be there here, a1 x and so on. And similarly Rx, if both the polynomial has same degree, then it will look like this. So bk x raised to the power k up to some b naught, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now here see, since both polynomial have same degree, so you can divide this qx, you can divide this Rx by qx, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. How you will divide? How you will divide? Can someone tell me?
Yes, sir, one time.
Okay.
Because
So
both have
let us divide. So you have ak x raised to the power k up to a naught divided by bk
X to the
x
power
raised to the
K.
power k up to b naught.
B
How
naught.
will you divide?
b by a
One.
x to the power b
Sorry,
by a.
No, it multiply by 1.
bk by ak, right?
Yeah,
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will divide like this. Then here you will get bk x raised to the power k plus in last step what you will get?
B naught.
bk a naught
B.
divided by
ak.
ak, right?
Yes, sir.
This term will cancel out,
Yes.
right? Here what you will get? You will get bk minus 1 minus what? ak minus 1 into bk divided by ak
ak.
into x raised to the power k minus 1 and up to like this,
Yes, sir.
right? And in last term, what will be the last term?
b naught
b naught minus bk into b naught divided by ak, right?
AK. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here what you can see this Rx. Suppose just suppose this is your Sx. This is nothing but your Sx. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what you can see, you can easily see this Rx is also written as like this.
Yes, sir.
Pk by ak times qx plus Sx, right?
SX.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
just put this Rx value from here. This equation. What you will get? Everyone is understanding what's going on here?
Yes, sir.
If you have some doubt, please ask. So what it will be? Please tell me what it will be.
So
Hx into qx
x into qx plus
plus what
bk
is the
by
Rx value? Bk by
ak
BK by AK
bk
into
QX
QX plus
plus
SX.
SX.
Here ak and bk are not equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it is
then we
a
can take common qx.
Because we are taking this polynomial as squared degree. Okay, take qx as common.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It will
What you will
be
get? Hx plus
HX plus
k by
BK
by
AK
ak
plus SX
plus SX.
into qx plus
plus
sx.
SX. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
But here we are already seeing that this sx has degree less than this qx,
Yes, sir.
right? Because I have dividing this kind of thing, right? I have performing this kind of thing, and here we can easily see here degrees. If this term is not equal to 0, then degree will be what? K minus 1.
Yes, sir.
And if it is not, if it is 0, then degree of this sx will be less than k minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in any case, the degree s of x will not exceed the degree of qx, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in this case, since this is well defined and this is a real number, right? because
Yes.
BK and AK are constant, and AK
Yes, sir.
and BK both are not equal to 0. Then this is proper real number, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, HX is a polynomial. Here, this is a constant polynomial. If we will add two polynomials, what you will get? You will get another polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose this is your capital HX. So you can write it like that, right?
Yes.
So what will your PX? Your PX is equal to this,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what? So this is your what? Here, as you can see, for now, your Rx is behaving like this Sx, and you can easily see this Sx has lesser degree than this Qx,
QH.
right?
Yes, sir.
That is why we will always say if the degree will be equal to Qx, then we will again performing the operation like this, and then we will get a polynomial this Sx and this BKY AK kind of thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
that we can represent this px like this, and here we will get the degree of Sx is less than this degree. Okay, so
Yes,
my
sir.
question is, so what is my question? Okay, so here two questions are arise. What is first question is, what will be the minimum degree of Rx, sorry, Sx, or if you are considering this case, so what will be the minimum degree of Rx, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so I
It
am
can be 0.
considering the above one.
Oh, yes.
Strictly less than
Minimum degree. So is 0.
It is minimum now. It is also 0.
it's minimum.
Yes,
Okay,
0.
and
Yes, sir.
first question is like this, and another one is, what will be the maximum degree of
Ah,
Rx? These two questions will arise, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, what will
Yes,
be the
sir.
minimum degree of Rx, and what will be the maximum degree of Rs?
So the minimum will be strictly less than px, and maximum will be equal
Okay,
to
so
or less
okay,
than qx.
okay, so I'm just asking, for any polynomial, what will be the minimum degree?
Strictly less than px.
Oh, 0.
For any
0, sir.
polynomial, any general polynomial, what will be the minimum degree?
0, sir.
0.
0. So here, is there any constraint of minimum degree of this Sx?
Sorry, sir.
Is there any constraint in minimum degree constraint in this polynomial Sx for this polynomial Sx?
Means it will
No.
affect and no.
Here only the constraint is for maximum case only,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
The only constraint for maximum case only. There is no such minimum constraint.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will be the minimum degree? Exactly as minimum degree of any polynomial.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what will be the minimum degree of Rx?
Strictly less than px.
Say 0.
0.
Minimum degree.
Say
0.
0. 0, 0, 0.
It will become 0. And what will be the maximum degree of Rx?
degree of qx minus 1.
Less than Q.
Is less than-
Whatever degree of Rx is always strictly less than Qx.
Yes.
Suppose if Qx has degree 4. So we know that Rx cannot have degree 4.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
Rx have
But
3.
Rx has degree Rx can have degree 3, right?
Yes,
It
Yes,
sir.
can have
sir.
degree 3.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever degree Qx have taken, Rx can have the degree
N minus 1.
Qx minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Qx minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Suppose Qx has kth degree. Qx is kth degree polynomial. So Rx can be
Rx.
-1 degree polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the maximum degree of Rx? Degree of QX.
QX minus 1.
-1.
Okay.
Yes,
Understood
sir.
from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That was your next question, I guess. That is your okay. So first one. Okay. So the option A is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move to the another one. Okay. Here you can see the solution. This PDF will be shared
Yes,
after this class. Okay. Okay, so question number 1.2 is saying by dividing a polynomial. Same question is here. It is asking what will be the maximum degree of Rx can be. So what it will be?
Degree of QX
Degree
minus 1.
of QX
The
minus 1.
option D is
Yes,
correct,
sir.
right? Okay,
Yes.
everyone is understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, please ask for these two questions.
No, sir. I have no doubt.
No, sir,
Okay.
no doubts.
No doubt. Someone is saying he has doubt.
No,
No,
no doubt.
So, sir,
Excuse
No
me,
doubt,
sir.
right? Yes.
QX is equal to C. Suppose degree Rx
Okay, just
less
a
than
minute.
is
Just a
equal.
minute. Let me write first.
Can you believe explain this question?
What is the question?
1.2 question. This question showed maximum
what?
degree is -1.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. I think the slides is okay. What? This one, maximum degree of Rx is degree QX minus 1, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Remainder -1.
Okay. This is not
It
remainder
is
minus
not
1.
even.
It's
This is
But
quotient degree
Oh,
of quotient minus
QX
1.
only for
Yeah.
QX.
Yeah.
But the maximum of Rx. Okay, okay, sir.
We are asking for
Yes.
maximum
I
degree
am
of
understood.
remainder term. Understood? We are
Yes,
asking
yes.
for maximum degree of Rx.
Okay, I am understood.
Are you able to see this slide?
No, sir.
yes, sir.
Just
Yes,
a
sir.
minute.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are
This
able to see.
white page solution.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
We are seeing the graph, sir.
No. I am not asking for graph. Okay, now fine.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Now it's
same slide, Professor Anirudh, sir, explanation, same slide.
Okay.
Same question, I think YouTube recorded.
Just a minute. I think I missed the slides. Just a minute, okay? I missed that slide. Sorry for that. Screen is not visible, right?
Yes, sir. It
Yes.
is
No,
not
sir.
visible.
it's not
There is some
visible.
problem. Just let me. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Can we go further?
Yep. So
So here you can see the solution as well. So what you are talking about that same PDF, Anush sir?
Actually recorded, YouTube recorded lecture, same PDF, Professor Anirudh, sir, IIT Madras, Professor explanation.
Okay. So is there any concern on that?
No, sir, no.
Okay. Actually, for each term there will be some live session, right?
Yeah, same, I think.
Same session will be go. If you want to see, then you can go by this that slide as well.
Yeah, no any difference.
No difference. But my suggestion
But
is please.
graded assignment question and main question paper different and all paper same.
Yeah, but my suggestion is please attend the live session because it's kind of interactive session so that if you have some doubt and that
Yes,
particular point, then you can directly ask. to whatever teacher is going to teach you.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can you
You can
repeat
directly
this
ask.
question?
Which one? Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
No, I didn't solve actually.
Okay.
Okay, I will explain. This is the actually this is already solved. I am not able to erase this. I was not able. I tried, but it's not. If
Okay,
if you know any tools regarding that, then please let me know. That is I am asking.
No, sir. It is not possible because it is a shared PDF, I think.
Yeah,
Sir, वही
exactly.
I
sir.
think sir it's already done.
Okay. So let we will go by this sliders only. Okay. Okay. So the question is: consider the polynomial px is this bad polynomial, looking like very ganda kind of polynomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have this bad polynomial. Just a minute.
So what about x square?
I'm just saying. I have never explained this. I will explain you. Just a minute. Okay. So you have this polynomial.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
is this
Tell
a
me.
question is
Yeah. Is R no? Is R right? So this is a multiple choice question. Okay. So you have this
MC.
px, the polynomial px. This. Okay. So question is, which of the following option is R correct? Is wherever you will see this is and R, it is clear. It is easy to see that it will become. There may be possibility that the options can multiple options can be true. Okay. This is
Yes,
R
sir.
is represented as the options can be the correct options can be more than one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the first option? The first option is saying the number of turning of points px are 9. So can someone tell me how we will find the number of turning points?
Degree minus 1 by plot
Sir, we can plot
by
and
plotting the graphs
Plotting the graph, sir.
Okay.
Plotting the
So
graph
Number of
and
rows
all.
plus
graph.
one.
We can
using multiplicities.
is my
And
voice clear to everyone?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
nice.
Yes, sir.
Keep
Okay.
going in between, sir.
Okay, so according to hint, it is already saying that just go through the graph and then see. So how we will draw the graph? Can someone tell me?
At
Let me
the
write.
x-intercept minus 10, we plot a
Yeah, sir.
bouncing curve.
We can find
So first, we will find the mi- zeros.
Minus
-8, again 1 point. Minus its 1 point.
Okay, let me write the polynomial first. What is the
Minus
polynomial?
4
Can someone tell me?
plus 2
Minus 1y,
10,000 and 1.
1 followed by 50, right? 50, right?
Yes, sir. It's not.
1 followed by 50, 3 and 2. Okay.
It's
Then,
not matter.
yeah, it doesn't matter, but someone of you guys will come to me and then he will tell me, sir, that is not 10,000, that is actually 1 lakh. So that is why. Okay, minus x minus 10 square, then x minus 8.
Minus 8.
So then x minus 8,
And 8 minus
x minus 6, then
4.
x minus 4,
4.
X minus 4.
then x
X minus 2.
2, then
X
x
square.
square and x plus 9. Right? This is the polynomial that you have. Right?
Yes, sir.
So first we can find the roots and multiplicity.
So here you can easily find the roots, right?
Yes, sir.
What will be
Yes,
the
sir.
root?
Sir,
X
roots are
minus 2?
0, 2, 4.
Roots of px. What will
Sir,
be?
0, 2,
minus 10 minus 10
H is equal to minus 10.
minus 10
Let's
minus 10
go with descending order.
0.
Minus 10,
minus 10, minus
Minus
9,
10.
minus
minus 2
9,
Minus 8. Minus 6.
0, 2,
0, then
4,
0, right?
6,
Descending
Yeah.
order,
yes,
0,
4,
2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
8,
8.
6,
8.
8.
Okay. What is the multiplicity of minus 10?
Sir, 2.
2.
It
Two.
will be a quadratic.
1
What is the
6,
multiplicity of 0? 2.
2,
2
2,
All
1
have 1.
1. Rest
1.
of them are 1.
1
2.
and 1 1.
Okay. So whenever you want to draw the polynomials and you have some roots, just draw the roots first. Okay. How will you? Can someone tell me how we can draw the graph?
Yes, sir. First we
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
draw
by plotting X and
Plot
Y.
the points.
First we
X
have
at a
the
point.
end B square of the
A is
graph.
less than 0 and n is odd.
first we pointed on x-axis the roots, all roots.
Sorry.
First we
First
find
we
the end behavior.
I think first root, then check end behavior.
So this is your axis, coordinate axis. Okay. So suppose here your what is the root? Minus 10. Here you are minus 10. Here you are
Sir, after this question, you
okay.
can you please explain end behavior?
And behavior of a graph, behavior of a
Yes,
polynomial.
yes,
Okay,
polynomial.
okay. Whether it is increasing, decreasing kind of thing, right?
Yes, sir.
0.
Whether the graph is opening upward, downward.
Okay. 0, 2,
4.
4. Please mute
6.
yourself if it is not necessary. 4, 4,
6.
6, 8.
8.
Okay. So whenever you want to draw the graph, firstly write graph of a polynomial. Firstly, if you have access for roots, then firstly write the roots. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then go through the coefficient of. Then go through the
Coefficient of
Coefficient.
polynomial. Leading coefficient.
Leading coefficient.
go through the
Leading
Leading
coefficient.
highest
coefficient.
degree coefficient.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coefficient of leading
Leading coefficient. Leading term.
Okay. What you have to see in leading term, whether it is
minus.
positive
Negative,
or
sir.
negative.
Negative, sir. It's negative.
Yes, sir.
Axis
Negative.
Negative.
okay.
And
So
the
here,
odd
as
degree
you can see,
polynomial.
this minus is there, right? Have you
Yes.
ever heard about Wavy curve method?
Your voice is cracking.
Yes, sir.
My voice is cracking.
Yeah.
Now
Hello.
it is.
Yes, sir, I know it
Now,
will be a weaker method.
Now I
yeah,
am audible.
Yeah, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, you are.
Okay. So here, as you can see, minus is multiplied in the entire term, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you can easily see the highest degree, the highest coefficient will be negative.
Yes.
The leading term coefficient will be negative, right?
Yes.
And we know that thing in the polynomial case, always the leading term, the leading degree term, the leading degree term always dominate the entire polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So if we will start from this 8, So initially in the baby curve method, when we will see this direction, in this direction, okay. So we need to see in this direction what will be the behavior of this polynomial. Either this polynomial will come like this or will go like this. We need to see that. How we will check? Can someone tell me?
Sir, describe a simple method to which leading coefficient is negative, then the parabola of it downward and
Yeah,
positive that is
parabola is
upward.
downward. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
Yes. And that
so
you can find the polynomials behavior like degree of the polynomial, the
okay.
multiplicity that it is a 2k plus 1 and 2k plus 2, like then a odd degree polynomial and even degree polynomial. If it's a odd degree polynomial and
Okay.
that
Okay. Actually,
minus
both are the same thing. Both are the same thing that I am going to treat. Okay.
uh,
So
it is a
just take the largest root. Just go through the largest root. What is the largest root here? 8. Actually, you can go by this one as well, or this one as well, this one as well, right?
Caring. Care.
Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay, so we are going with this order. We will see around this 8, then we will see around this 6, then we will see around this 4, then we will see around this 2,
And 0.
and then we will see around this 0, and then go like this. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just tell me, what is the multiplicity of 8?
1, sir. It will be a
1,
straight
sir.
1.
line.
So the curve will be behaving like this linear kind of thing or this linear kind of
Odd,
thing,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So what is the highest coefficient here?
Minus.
Minus.
Negative.
Yes, sir.
So which graph will work for me?
Sir, graph will start from quad 4.
First one.
Means it.
This side. I am asking for this side.
Yes, sir. Quad 4.
Sorry.
The line will cut down the x-axis.
fourth quadrant. He says fourth quadrant.
Yes, sir. It will
Negative
Fourth
start from
quadrant.
quad 4. Yes,
Fourth
sir.
quadrant, right? So the
Yeah,
graph,
downward.
the graph
It will be downward.
go like this, right?
Yeah.
yes,
Down
sir.
to up.
Sorry. Actually, my drawing skill is too bad.
It's okay, sir.
Sir,
Relatable.
it's better to use, sir, Microsoft Notes than this software.
Yeah, but now session is started, so it will take our time. So for next session, I will try to do. Actually, in the Microsoft, you are asking about Edge, no?
No, sir. OneNote.
OneNote.
Okay. For next session, I will try. Okay, it will go like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. But we know that between this 6 or 8, is there any root? No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. But we also know that this polynomial, wherever it will go, I don't know. Okay.
Yes.
Wherever it will go, either it will go like this, I don't know. But we know that somehow this polynomial will turn
Yes.
and touch to x-axis
Yeah.
Yes.
at 6, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This thing will happen. Everyone knows
Yes,
this
sir.
thing. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
At any point between the 6 and 8, we know that there will be some point where the polynomial will turn, take
Yes,
U-turn, and then cut the x-axis at 6, right? Because 6 is the roots of that particular polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, just see what is the multiplicity of 6.
1,
Sir,
sir.
odd.
It will
is
be
1. It is 1,
It
right?
will not.
So it will be
not.
go like this only.
linear. Yes, sir.
No, sir. Why should we go down?
Because the multiplicity is 1.
So it will.
We know that if the multiplicity is odd, then the polynomial at that particular point the polynomial will behave like linear. Okay, if it is even, then it will behave like parabola. Either it is upward or it is downward, it doesn't matter, it depends on the polynomial itself. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this polynomial will go like this. Okay. Now just see at 4, but we know here also we know that thing, wherever this polynomial will go this direction, I don't know, but at any point between 6 and 4, the polynomial take U-turn and then go to the 4.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
cut x-axis at 4. Right? This thing will happen.
Yes,
that we can know. We know, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see the polynomial. See the multiplicity of 4. What is the multiplicity of 4? 1.
Odd one.
1. So this polynomial will behave linearly.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same thing will happen. This will take U-turn. Okay. This U-turn
Yes.
can be maximum height like this. I don't know, but yeah, it will behave like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will cut at 2. Now see the multiplicity of 2.
1.
1.
1.
So it will go linearly
Yes.
and then
Yes, sir.
it will take U-turn and then touch
Yes,
to
sir.
0. Now see the
Yes.
multiplicity of 0. What is it?
2.
Even
It
2.
is 2.
So it will behave like
It will be like
parabola.
parabola.
Parabola. So it will like this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It is.
Okay. This is at
Yes,
center.
sir.
Okay. Everyone is understanding what is going on here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir.
If you are
Yes,
not,
sir.
please let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
These spices are not there. Please try to understood, because my drawing skill is worst.
It is not too bad, sir.
It's bad actually.
It's okay.
Okay, just manage it. Somehow I am trying to draw. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Do
at 0
as much as
we
you.
are at 0 it's fine, right? Up to 0 it's fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just go to 9. Okay, we know that where there is some point where polynomial will take U-turn and then go to the 9.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Multiplicity
Just
1.
see the multiplicity of 9 minus 9.
1.
1. So
One.
it will behave like linear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it will take U-turn and then go to the minus 10. And what is the multiplicity of minus
Quadratic,
10?
sir. 2.
Quadratic, sir. 2.
So
It will be not
Okay.
parabolic.
So it will be go like this. The
Yes.
polynomial is behaving like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the tentative graph. This is the rough figure of that particular polynomial. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, let's move to the question. What is it asking actually? What is the first option? The number of turning points of polynomial px. See,
Sir, 8.
what will be the maximum turning point
Sir,
in this
8.
polynomial?
8, sir.
8, sir.
7.
What will be
Maximum
the
is
maximum?
Yes,
Less
sir.
than
Maximum.
degree of that
9.
particular polynomial?
9.
Strictly less than
Sir, 7.
of degree of that particular polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If what is the degree of that that polynomial?
Sir,
9.
it's 9, sir.
9, sir.
2
Sir,
degree.
it's 8
Just
turning
add the
No,
points.
sir.
multiplicity, right? Just add the multiplicity.
It is 9.
Yes, sir. It is 9.
Turning point 9, sir.
9, sir.
Turning point is
I
8.
am asking
Turning
for
point is
degree
not.
of this
Turning point.
polynomial. I am
Sir,
asking for
degree
degree of
9, sir. 9, 9.
9.
9, sir.
If we will add the multiplicity of all root, we will get the degree of polynomial. What it will be?
Yes, sir. 9,
Nine.
sir.
Yes. It
Nine.
Okay.
will be 9.
So remember, always remember that thing. The number of turning point is
Is
always
always
strictly less than degree of polynomial. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is the maximum what will be the maximum number of turning point? It will be 8 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will be 8 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in this question, where is it?
Where-
In this question,
Yes.
this option is incorrect. The number of turning points of px are 9. This is incorrect, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is option B? Option B is saying px is increasing function when x belongs to 6, 8. Let's see.
6 to 8 interval. Check.
No, sir.
Let's see. 6 to 8 here.
Yes.
Is this increasing? Firstly, it is increasing. It is increasing, and then suddenly it is decreasing,
Sir,
right?
your screen is not
Sir,
visible.
green is not visible, sir.
My
Screen is
screen
not
is not
visible.
visible. Okay. Just a minute.
Sir, option B is correct.
No, you.
Now
you
it is
check.
visible.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So you just see something is going wrong actually.
No, sir. Now it's not visible.
Actually, every time
Sir,
whenever I
again
am
it is not.
trying to do this thing, this is cancelling actually. This is removing from my pad, from my laptop itself. Let me try again. Sorry for that. I think there is some issue in my laptop itself. Okay. Now it's fine. Fine to all.
Yes,
Please
sir.
let me know.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Here is the polynomial. What is the second option is saying? The
It is
second option is
increasing
saying
interval 6 to 8.
Sir, it's saying
Px
that
is
6 to 8
increasing at the
increasing
point of
between
x
6 to 8.
is equal to 6 to 8.
it is saying px is increasing function when x belongs to 6 to 8, right? Now just see here. Okay, just see
It
here.
is
When you
increasing and
will
decreasing.
move from 6 to 8, the polynomial, firstly the polynomial is increasing, right?
Yes.
And at certain time, a certain point from here, the polynomial is directly going to decrease, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is decreasing after some point. Suppose it is x naught. After this x naught, after this fx naught, the polynomial is decreasing, right? Px naught, sorry, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is not increasing between 6 to 8, right?
Yes, sir.
So this option is incorrect, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is incorrect and this is incorrect. This is incorrect and this is incorrect, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Is px odd function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's on our function.
Because he has odd equal to
Yes, sir. It has odd degrees now.
No.
odd degree.
How you will check a function is odd or not?
From is the degree, sir. It's
Huh?
f of minus
Degree
x
of
is equal to
polynomial.
minus fx.
degree of polynomial is odd, then it's the odd.
When you will say a function is odd or not?
When the
f
degree
of
of
minus
polynomial
x
is
is equal
odd.
to minus of fx.
If f of minus x is equals to minus
Minus
of fx,
x.
then only we can see a function is odd or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you one question. What it is exactly mean? What it's exactly mean? you are saying f of minus x is equal to f minus of fx. What does it means?
Function of minus f of x equal to minus f of x.
Whatever
Tell me,
function. Tell me.
and the function has odd degree. Like
No,
x
no.
equal
Yeah,
to x
odd
to the
degree,
Is
but
it?
why
5.
odd degree?
When
Is
we
it?
put minus x in
Because
place of x,
Is
only
it?
odd degree x minus.
It's
That
like
means
When the
if
function is
we
negative.
put
Okay, okay.
minus x value in a function and get the minus value of the function, then
yes, exactly.
See, what is exactly saying, if you will take, if you will see the graph of function at this direction, okay, okay, suppose your graph is behaving like this, whatever I have made here, your fx is like this, okay, okay.
yes,
So
sir.
what
yes,
will,
sir.
suppose here x, you are taking x is positive, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is what is going on here? Here you are saying just take the negative value of this x and you will get the
The
exactly
negative
negative
function.
value of fx, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what when you will move this side, let me change the color. When you will move this side, okay, so here your function is behaving like this. So what is your fx? If you will go this side, so what is your fx? Your fx is
Negative.
behaving like this. But here you are saying just take the negative part. So what is the negative image of this part? This is like this,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Right? What I am saying, suppose your graph is like this, okay, and you are saying f of minus x is equals to minus of fx, right? Right? I am saying what is fx actually? If you are here, I am saying x is greater than 0. What is fx actually when x is less than 0? What is fx? If you will neglect this minus sign, and you will you just say to me, yeah, this is your x value. Then what will fx? If fx here this, then here for here fx is looking like this, okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay. Can you
explain again?
I am saying for this fx, suppose this is your fx, this graph is your fx, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. For
Yes.
x go for x going to infinity, or for x is positive, for this line fx is exactly this. You are saying a condition that f minus x is equal to minus of fx, okay. Up to here, you understand? You are saying the condition f of minus x is equals to f of x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
am saying what is the value of fx for f minus x? If it is equal to f of minus x is equals to fx, what it will how it will be look like? It will look like this, now this graph only, exactly the mirror image of this y-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will look like this, exactly mirror image of this y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Now I am saying just take the negative portion. So what will be the negative portion? The mirror image in x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Along
Right. So
axis.
how it will be look like? It will be look like this,
Yes, sir.
right? So what
Yes,
will be
sir.
the graph for odd function? It will look like this only,
Yes, sir.
right? So whatever graph here you have for odd function, similar graph here you will have, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So what I am saying, I am essentially saying, in the long story short, if you have f of minus x is equals to minus of fx, then your graph, whatever your graph is behaving in first quadrant, whatever graph is behaving here your graph will be like this. It means that this is the symmetric at origin, right? Right? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If your graph is behaving like this, okay, then it is exactly symmetric by origin, right? Just put a mirror on the origin and then see how the graph, how the mirror images look like, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood up to here?
Sir, how it is symmetric? Means this is not
That's what I
symmetric.
am saying. That's what I am trying to say. Suppose, your graph fx is equals to is what? X cube. This is odd function. Everyone knows.
Yes, sir.
Everyone knows
Yes.
how the its graphs is look like. It is look
S
like this.
form. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it correct? Now see see in the positive side. Your graph is looking like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see the f of minus x. I am saying f of minus x. It means this axis here.
Yes, sir.
This side.
Yes, sir.
This side. If it will be fx exactly as fx, then it will be look like this,
Yes, sir.
right? But I am taking, you have to take the minus part of this fx,
Yes, sir.
right? So what will be
Yes,
the
sir.
minus part of this line? This is the exactly mirror image of x-axis.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Just put a mirror on x-axis and then see what will the image, what will the mirror image of this line. So what will be? What it will be? It will be look like this. So this line
Yes,
is
sir.
what? This line is just you have just put a mirror on the origin, and you are going to see the mirror image of this line, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what will be the mirror image of this line when you are putting your mirror into the origin? This line only, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
basically,
sir.
odd function, how odd function is behaving? It is behaving just it is a symmetric on the origin, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now just go through this graph. Is it symmetric by on the origin? Here your origin, it if it is, then it will
No.
behave like this. If
It is not
this
symmetric.
this is behaving like this, no?
Yes, sir.
How it will be? This kind of thing, right? Sorry, I think it is not correct. So we know that now we can easily see now it is not symmetric. How was the graph? Okay. Now it is not symmetric, right? Right?
Right.
Here 9 is there. Because it is not symmetric to the origin, so it is not odd function, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your this C option is also incorrect, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By graph, this by graph you can directly check, or you can just you just put p
Any negative value?
minus x. Okay. Just replace x by minus x. Okay.
Okay.
Then you
Sir,
will.
if it is symmetric, then it is an increasing function.
Sorry. Yeah, it odd function is increasing as well,
Okay, sir.
or decreasing, or either it is strictly decreasing or it is strictly increasing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
It is 1 1 on 2 as well in some form of.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt actually in the equation.
Okay. What is the doubt?
Sir, in the equation, there is a minus 1 by 1000, I think. So
It doesn't
what
matter.
was in the graph?
Thus, actually, 1/1000 is just
Yeah,
for
yeah.
it is just for either it will squeeze our graph or it will spread. Okay,
Okay.
it doesn't matter if you are going to see this graph on some AI tool, then it will be so like this only.
Okay.
It
Sir,
will
is there
either,
any other method?
yeah, you just put x, you just replace x by minus x.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we find uh, in like here we have a 9-degree polynomial, right?
Again, this thing is showing.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Yeah, I am seeing. I think I don't know what is the problem is going on here. Always it is not. Just a minute, let me figure it out.
Sir, it's visible now.
Yeah, it's visible, but the slide is missing actually. The slide is missing.
Sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yeah, just ask. Okay, slide
Sir,
is visible
in
to
the
all.
qualifier, what types of question will come? I don't know. Will be based. Will all those questions based
Yeah,
on credit
it,
assignment?
it, it, it will be the moderate question. It will become the concept will be same as your graded assignment, your practice set, and whatever questions are asked in previous year. It will be same. Just go through it. You once you learn the concept, you are able to solve the questions as well. Okay, just go
Okay.
through the concept. Try to solve as much as the questions you can. Once you will understand the concept, what is going on inside that, then you can easily solve the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what is the last option? Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the last option? Last option is saying px is 1 onto function when x belongs to 8 to infinity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. It is saying when you will move this side, then it will become 1 onto
1 to
function.
1.
1 onto, right?
1
No,
on 2.
1 to 1.
One, yeah, 1 to 1 function. Sorry. 1 to 1 function. Okay. So
Excuse
is
me,
it
sir.
Yes.
This odd function minus f of x minus f function of f of x.
No. It is not odd because I just said it to you. If a function is odd, then it is symmetric to the origin. Okay.
Okay.
But it is not symmetric to the origin, right?
Yes.
If it is
Symmetric
symmetric to
to
the,
origin, that
it
is
means
called the odd
it means that,
function.
yeah, it means that you just put a mirror on the origin and then see the mirror image of this function. This side, you will get the exactly mirror image this side only. If it is a mirror, it will be the mirror image. This function is go like this, and then
Sir, suppose one function x square plus 2.
this is not
This
odd.
function, x square plus 2. Suppose x
This is
square
even.
plus 2.
This is
Even
even.
function, odd function.
This is even function
Even.
because
Even.
this is
But
symmetric.
sir, but x square 4 plus 2.
X square,
4
Plus
plus
4.
2.
x square, x square
4
4,
x power 4 plus 2. Sorry.
x raised to the power 4 plus 2. This is also
Yeah.
Is
even function.
still even.
Even function.
Yeah,
Even
because
Suppose the minus
f of
3
minus x is
x
fx,
f
right?
of x. Yes, sir. The f of minus x is 4, and this side
This
4.
function is going like this one. Okay,
Okay.
let's move further. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is
Okay,
one function, right? If your domain is this only, this side only, so this is a one function because this is strictly increasing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
or
sir.
if you will take any 2 points like this and this, you will get different image, right?
Yeah, sir.
Any point, if you will take any point, suppose you are taking this point and this point, different point, you will get different image always, right? So
Yes, sir.
option C is correct.
Sir,
Yes.
can you repeat third option again?
Px is odd function.
Yeah,
This
can
one.
you verify the odd and even one?
Sir,
Okay,
repeat fourth option again.
fourth in the fourth option, I am saying this is odd because, just a minute, okay, let me erase. So this is your graph, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is able to see the graph now.
Yes, sir.
This is odd because just take any 2 points, because your domain is 8 to infinity, right? Now your domain, if your domain is 8 to infinity only, then you have to see this by in this axis only, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now just choose any 2 point in this axis, in this domain. You can see the image is not same, right? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Any point, suppose your point is here, another point is here, just see the image. Both images are same or different?
Different, sir.
Both are different, so it is odd, right?
Yes, sir. Okay. Odd?
It is sorry,
Yes, sir.
it is 1-1,
1-1.
right?
1-1.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Okay, now someone has doubt in
Sir,
odd function. So sorry.
No, sir.
If
Whole
domain
is
is
1-1 option function. I have got it.
Here we have restricted the domain as well. Okay. Here you are saying the question is saying that your domain is 8 to infinity only. So you need not to be check this side. You need to check on this side only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if domain is 6,8, but in this condition, what type of function?
6,8. Then we are sure that it is not 1-1. It's not.
Sir.
Okay. We can easily see now. If you will take this point and this point, both images are same.
Yes. Same.
Same image, right?
Okay, sir. It's many one.
It's many one function.
Okay.
Understood?
Sir,
up to here?
Yeah, understood.
For odd function case, I am saying a function is said to be odd if it is symmetric to 0.
Okay, sir.
If it is symmetric to origin. Okay. Or you can see a function is odd if f of minus x is equals to minus of fx. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Both arguments are equivalent to each other. Okay. Now just see, is this function is symmetric to the origin?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
here minus x means minus 9. Here f of minus 9 is equal to.
You just directly see. Here you know the roots of this polynomial, right? Okay. I have another way to show you. Now, where is the polynomial? Just see this polynomial. Okay. Now, what is the value of f of minus 9? 0. Right?
0.
Yes, sir.
If it is odd, then this thing is directly equal to f of 9 minus times of f of 9.
Yes, sir.
Right? If this px, if this px is odd, then what is the property of odd function? F of p of minus x is equals to p of x, right?
Minus px.
Right?
Minus p of x.
Minus of px, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Just tell me the
Yes,
value
sir.
of p of minus 9.
Sir, can't you use
0.
I am
Sir,
directly
can't-
using the property of odd function, the definition of odd function.
Sir,
Okay.
but we can use only the leading coefficient and the highest degree.
See, there is no constraint on leading coefficient. Okay, I am saying if a function is odd, then this property should hold.
No, sir, I got it, but I was just saying that if we will take -1 upon that a of this polynomial and into 9 x raised to power 9, and we put any negative value, it will give an positive value out of it.
Yeah, I am just trying to show you in by an example. If you are not getting by a graph, then I am trying to show by an example. So I am considering it like suppose that this px is odd. Okay. Now if it is odd, this I am assuming that this px is odd. Okay.
Yes, sir. No, sir, I got your answer. Got it what you are trying to say, but I was just confirming that can this logic also work?
Which logic? Please can you tell me?
Like here a is negative. Sir, when
A is
we
negative. You are asking the leading coefficient is negative.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then
And the highest degree is odd, sir. So
the
if we
highest
will,
degree also. No, it will not work.
okay, sir.
Okay, because this is not odd now. This is the example that you are doing. This is not odd function. Okay.
No, sir. I'm saying because x has odd degree. If we will put a negative number inside it, it will give us a positive
negative number.
output.
Negative output, right? If x cube is there, then if you will replace x by minus x, then what you will get? Minus of x cube, right?
Yes, sir, and it has a negative a, means negative leading coefficient.
Yeah, but
So
you have the
positive
further term as well, na? That will affect
Yes.
your answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So here, just see if I am assuming that this px is odd. Okay, my mic problem, right? Now is it?
No, sir. It's
Yeah,
yeah,
sir.
No, sir, your voice is clear.
My voice is clear, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I am assuming that this px is odd. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am assuming that. I am assuming that this px is odd. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is odd, then it will give me the result like this. So here, if it is odd, then it is exactly same as p of minus times of p of 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? But
Yes,
p of minus 9 is what? 0. It means
Zero.
what? Minus times of p of 9 is 0. It means what? P of 9 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means that if this thing is happening, there will be a term like this in this polynomial, right? Or you
Yes,
can
sir.
say x minus 9 is the factor of this polynomial px. But here, you can see x minus 9 is not the factor of this, or you can see 9 will become a root of this polynomial px, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice
Yes.
is not clear.
Sir,
Hello.
your voice is clear. Someone's
Just refresh from your side. I think just refresh from your side. Someone
it's
please
from
stop.
Okay, sir, clear.
Okay,
it's from
someone.
Mayank's mic.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, mine. Okay, so you can see 9 is not the root of this polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is not on. My initial assumption is incorrect. Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You can see by this manner as well. Now understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Or
sir.
you can go by a symmetric way.
Sir, by seeing end character of graph, we cannot do any comment how graph is odd or even.
No.
Okay, sir.
because other term can be affected our graph, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why initial or end term we cannot say anything. Okay, let's move.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here is the solution you can see. Okay, only 2 questions are
Sir,
done
sir,
now.
excuse me, sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, and behavior of graph is depending on leading coefficient.
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. In this case, -1 upon 1 lakh.
No, it's not. Either it will be skews our graph or it will spread our graph. Okay. But the structure of graph will be same. Either it will be compressed or it will
Okay,
spread.
sir.
Okay. So here question number 3 is there. It is very easy
By
question.
leading coefficient.
Okay. Yes. So it's a very easy question. Question is saying, given that m and p are the roots of the polynomial this, and the sum of the roots is 0. Okay. So what is your polynomial? Can someone tell me? Px is equals to
X cube
x cube plus 5x
plus
minus 10.
5x minus 10
X cube plus 5x minus 10.
minus 10.
And it is saying m, n, and p are roots of this polynomial. Okay. Okay. M and p
Yes,
are
sir.
roots of px. And also given that m plus n plus
p
is
equal
equals
to
to
0
0. We need to find that m cube plus n
plus
cube
n
plus
cube plus
p
p cube.
Plus p cube.
How we need to find this value? Okay.
Yes, sir.
How we can find? Just take p of what is p of m. We know that p of m is equal to 0. So from this part, how what will be our p of m? M cube
M
plus
cube plus
M
5m minus 10
5m plus
equal to
equal to
0.
0.
Similarly, what will be what will be
N
your
cube
pn?
n cube plus
N cube plus
5m
5m
minus 10
minus 10
is equal to
similarly
0.
for the
0.
p cube p cube plus 5p
Okay. P cube plus
5p
5p
minus 10 is equal to
minus
0.
10
is equal to
equals to
0.
0.
Suppose
Yes.
this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2, this is your equation number 3. Add both all the 3 equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3. What will you get? M cube plus 5m minus 10 plus
N cube plus 5m minus 10
Basically,
p
this
cube
plus p
plus
cube
5p minus 10.
Basically, this question is based on adding the adding of polynomials. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now add this 3 term.
M cube plus n cube
N cube plus n cube
p
plus
cube
p cube
plus
5 common
5 comma m
n
plus
और
n
ये
plus
तो 0 हो
n
ही
plus
जाएंगे m plus n plus p
n plus p
minus 30, right? Minus 10
minus
Yes.
30.
plus
Yeah.
minus 30
Minus 30.
equals to 0. This is 0.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So what will you get? M cube plus
30
n cube plus p cube
Plus
equal to 30
minus
equals to
30
30
equal to 0. It means what?
equals to 30.
M cube plus n cube plus p cube
P cube equals to
equal to
30.
0. Easiest question for this session,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The fourth one. The fourth one is saying the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways wants to connect 3 aspirational districts with two roads R1 and R2. What is it saying?
Is it a bit?
Suppose you have cities aspirational city C1 C2 and
C2,
C3.
C3.
It may be it can be anywhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose your C1 is here, your C2 is here, your C3 is here. Okay, so you have two routes, R1, two routes R1 and R2, and your question is saying this R1 is connect this three city, and this R1 is connect this three city, and R2 is suppose be like this, and this is also connect these three cities. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I don't know what will be the graph, but yeah, roughly the question is saying like that only. So what is it saying? The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways want to connect three aspirational districts with two roads R1 and R2. Two roads are connected. We will say two roads are connected if they intersect. Suppose this road R1 and this road R2. R1 and this R2. When we will say these routes are connected, only when this route is connected like this, or connected like this, or connected like this.
Yes, sir.
It means that the roads will meet at some point. Okay.
Yeah.
The shape of the roads R1 and R2 follows polynomial curve fx is equals to x minus 11 square, x minus 13 square, and gx is equals to x minus 11 and x minus 13 respectively. Okay, so here you have the graph of the roads as well, fx and gx. Okay, it means that for R1 your road is looking like this graph, and for R2 your road is looking like this graph. So what is it? For R1 case, what is your road? What is the equation of your road?
X minus 11 whole square.
X minus 11 whole square.
X minus 13
whole
13
square.
whole square, right?
Yes,
and
sir.
for R2, what will be
Gx.
what will
minus X
X minus 11.
minus X
X minus 11 X minus 13.
X minus 13, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then the question is saying what will be the x coordinate of third aspirational district if the first two are x intercept of fx and gx. So what is it exactly saying? What will be the x coordinate of third aspirational district if first two are x intercept of fx and gx? So it is saying if your graph is looking like this, so suppose this is your x-axis, then the first two cities are x intercept of fx, like somewhere fx cut the graph, fx cut at x axis, then your city 1 here, or suppose your gx is cutting your graph here, so your city 2 here, and as you know that both graph, let me use the another color. Okay, so suppose this is your coordinate axis. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
suppose it is saying two cities are lying in the x-axis. Okay, because it is intercepting. Okay.
Yes,
to
sir.
x-axis. So suppose city 1 is here, city 2 is here.
Yes, sir.
Your R graph, your R1 graph is, suppose I am not saying this will be your graph only. Okay. So I am just saying, suppose your R1 graph is behaving like this. Okay. I am not saying this is the correct one. Okay. I am again saying this is not the correct one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It can be anything. Suppose this is your R1 and your R2, because it is connecting three of the cities, right?
Yes,
this
sir.
is your R2. So you need to find the.
Can you please, sir, explain, sir? Repeat.
I am explaining. What is question? What question is exactly saying? The question is saying what will be the x coordinate of the third aspirational city third expressional city if the first two are x-intercept of fx and gx. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is
Yeah, yeah.
what it's exactly saying? It exactly saying first two cities are lying on the x-axis, as well as where it will be lie, where fx and gx are intercept the x-axis. Wherever fx and gx cut the x-axis, your city 1 and city 2 lying there only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am
Yes, sir.
assuming that here your your fx and gx are cutting into the x-axis, and here fx and gx are cutting to the x-axis. So suppose that c1 is lying here, c2 is lying here. Then you need to find the position of city third city, and the first x-axis. What will be the x coordinate for this city 3? That you need to figure it out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me show you the graph of that particular both polynomial that I have made on GeoGebra. You can make and by Desmos as well. So I have a nice graph for that. Let me show you.
Sir, can you show the question?
But in exam, how will we make it?
You can make by the first one. No, I already shown you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, once can you show the graph, sir?
Yeah, I am showing that.
Question.
See, as you can see, this is your R1, right? What is hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So R1 is behaving like what? Both 11 and 13 had 2 multiplicity, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So this is your R1, na?
Yes, sir.
The red one. The red one is your
R1.
R1.
This red one is your R1, and this green one is your
R2.
R2.
This is your R2. Here, this is your C1. This is your
This is a
C2.
C2
You need
and
to
this
find
C3.
this point, this C3 only.
C3. Yes, sir.
Understood? From this
Yes,
graph,
sir.
you can easily see the x coordinate of this C3 is 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in the exam hall, you don't have access for the graph, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Right? So the road graph is looking like this. Okay. That I have shown you how the road will behave like. Okay. So how
Yes,
will
sir.
you approach this question? I am going to tell you. Here
Yes, sir.
you can see both wherever roads are intercept, the cities will be there, right? Because
Yes,
you
sir.
are already saying this R1 and R2 connect all the 3 cities. It means
Yes.
that wherever the graph wherever the roads will meet, there will be one city, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Everyone understood up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it means
Yes, sir.
that the roots of this fx is equals to gx, the roots of this fx is equals to gx, this polynomial, or you can see fx minus gx is equal to 0. The solution of this equation will give me all the 3 coordinate of the cities, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because why I am saying this is 3? This will give me 3 coordinate. Can someone tell me?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Just a minute. Just see the question. The question is saying R1 and R2 connects all 3 cities. Okay. It means that all in the point of in the all 3 cities, this R1 and R2 roads will meet
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Your voice is not clear.
Sorry,
It's clear.
It's clear. It's clear.
clear, huh?
Yeah.
It means that in the city point, the roads R1 and R2 will meet,
Yeah, sir.
right? It means
Yes,
that
sir.
the point of intersection of R1 and R2 will give me city 1, city 2, and city 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But it is showing that here the question has given first two cities are x intercept of fx and gx. It means that wherever fx and gx meet to the x-axis, first two cities are lies there only,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
So what
The
is the
intersection point.
so you need to find the intersection point of fx, gx, and x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what will be your intersection point? 11, 13 for x-axis,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
because the roots of fx and gx are 11, 13 only,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Here, see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me show the graph. See, what is your intersection point? 11 and 13.
Yes,
This is
sir.
your fx,
Yes, sir.
and this is your gx only,
Yes, sir.
right? So what is your intersection point? 11 and 13.
11
Now
and
you
13.
need to find the another intersection point,
Yes.
The third one.
right? The third one. What will be the third one?
Yes, sir.
We need to we know that wherever
Go ahead.
R1 and R2 meets, one city lies there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Both meet to each other. It means that fx is equals to gx, right?
Yes, sir.
What is your fx?
X minus
X
Minus
11 whole square.
into
X
and
minus
X minus
13 whole
13 whole
square.
square.
Equals to minus times of
Minus
13 whole
X
square.
Minus
minus
times of X.
11.
no,
X
X
minus
minus
13.
13.
x minus 13, right?
Yes, sir.
What it will be? X minus
X
11 square, x minus 13 square, plus
in
x minus 11,
into
x
X
plus
minus
30.
30.
Plus
X plus
13.
30. X
13,
plus 30.
x minus
Minus
13 equal to
minus
0.
30.
Take common. So what you will get? X minus
X minus 11.
x minus
X
13,
minus 13.
X minus 13. X minus 11. X
X
minus
minus
13
1
plus 1.
plus 1.
right?
Is equal to
So
0.
if you
Yes, sir.
solve this, you will get x what?
X minus 11. X minus 13
X minus
plus 1
12
is
whole.
equal to 0.
x minus 12 whole square. How will you see? See, x square plus 11 is x square minus 13x.
Sir, I think 10 is no. Yeah.
Minus
11x.
minus 11x plus 13 11 13 13 11s are how many? Can someone multiply
Plus
for
143
me?
plus 1. 143 plus 1.
So it will become 144, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
144. And this is what? 24. So this will become your x square minus
Minus 24x.
24x
plus
plus 144.
144.
So this is exactly same as what? X minus
X
12.
minus 12 whole square.
That's what
X
I'm
minus 12.
okay. So this thing will become this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now from here we know that x is equals to 11 and x is equals to 13 will give me two cities, because I am saying the point of intersection of these two rows means what? The roots of this polynomial will give me the position of cities, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the roots of this polynomial? X is equals to 11, 13 and 12.
Yes, sir.
Right. Up now the question is saying the first two cities are intercepting with x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
It means that your fx and your gx meet wherever meet with x-axis, that will be your first two cities, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means that if you will able to find the roots of
FX.
this fx and roots of this gx,
GX.
you are done, right?
Yes, sir.
For fx, what is your roots? 11 and 13.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
gx, what is your root? 11 and
11 and
13.
13.
11 and 13.
Right? It means at 11 0 one city is lying, at 13 0
0.
one city is
Second.
lying, right? So your first city will lie here and your second city will lie here.
Yes, sir.
What is the remains one?
X
What is the
will
remains
12.
one? X is equals to 12 only.
Yes, sir.
Understood up to here?
Yes.
Let me write.
Yes.
This blank page is visible to all?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So which blank page? It's a
Yes,
full
sir.
of
Visible.
notes. Visible.
Now it's visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am saying, see, again this thing is
No.
happening.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what is going on here. Wherever I am trying to,
Yes,
it is just a minute.
Actually, 2 times.
Fine, sir. No problem, sir.
First time.
Sorry.
Another people time, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Just a
I
minute.
think anyone want to share a screen, so you cannot.
Please don't share your screen, otherwise I will not able to solve. Actually, I am not able to share my screen. I don't know what's going on here.
So you
Now is it
rejoin
visible?
it.
Now
Yes,
is it
sir. Visible.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Excuse me, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, if in any question it's given that we have to find the intersection of two quadratic equations, then we have to just keep them equal to find the answer.
Yeah, and find the roots.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
sir.
in this question, what's going on? Let me draw the graph for you. So what is the graph? One is going like this,
And one is
another one
upward.
is, how was it? It was
No,
like,
sir, from upside, not from downside.
okay, okay.
It was upward parabola.
Minus 11 on square. X minus 13.
For visualizing this polynomials graph, you just go through the any AI tools, any. Okay. Just like GeoGebra, Desmos, whatever you want. So it will be helpful for you. Okay. So first graph is like this, and the another one was
W.
Yes, sir, like this.
Like this, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
was your C1 city, this was your C2 city. Here the point
And
was 11, here the point was
13
13, and
and
here
12.
the point was 12. So what
12.
was
Yes,
I am
sir.
saying?
12.
So, okay, so this one was your R1, this one was your R2. So I am trying to say wherever this R1 and R2 meets, there will be some cities, right? Either C1, C2, and C3. According to the question, it is already known to us that the first two cities C1 and C2 are lying in the x-axis.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
It means that wherever this R1 and R2 meets on the x-axis, there will be your C1 and C2.
Yes,
right?
sir.
It means
Yes, sir.
that wherever fx and gx intersect the with x-axis, there will be one city, right? they will meet each other, and or you can say intersection of f, g and x axis will give me two cities, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, that two cities are C1 and
C1 and
C2.
C2.
C1
Now
and
you
C2.
need to find the position of C3. What remains when you equal to this? What remains? X is equals to 12
X is equal
only,
to 12.
because you already know that we already know that wherever this f and g will meet, there will be one city. Only one city will remain at x is equals to 12 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So your third, the x coordinate of the third city was what? 12.
12.
That is your answer. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, let's move to the last one. The last one is saying polynomial fit for the data given in the table recorded by student is y is equals to fx is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus n. It is saying this polynomial is satisfying this data. Okay.
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 Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roughly, this question is saying this polynomial, whatever it is, this polynomial is satisfying this data. Okay, and so you need to find the value of n via
Some square error.
formula. Okay,
Yeah.
some squared error via some square error. What is
Will
it
be
saying?
minimum.
Yeah, what it is saying, you need to find a minimum value of n such that the SSE formula will be minimum. The SSE error will be minimum, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your SSE error? Here you can see yi minus fxi whole square. The sum. See, you have data, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your x size.
Yeah.
This is your x size. And this is your y ice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you need to do, just check fxi, yi minus fxi whole square
FXI.
and then add them for I is equals to 1 to 4, because here only 4 data are given, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You have the output and input data, right?
Yes, sir.
And you need to check the sum squared error. It means that just squared of this difference. What is the error? Suppose you have some function fx, okay, and if you are solving this function by hand, you are getting some value at fxk is yk, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
But if you are going to solve this equation, if you are going to solve this equation by a machine, then you know that you will get some error, right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose you are getting this fxk as a y prime, okay. In
Okay,
by a
sir.
machine, if you are going to solve this by a machine, you are getting y prime.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be your error? Your error will be what? Y prime minus fxk modulus of this, right?
Right, sir.
Because your expected value was fxk, and you are getting y prime, right? If you are going to solve by a machine, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the difference will give you the error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here what he is asking? He is asking some squared error. Just square it and then sum it, because you have 4 data, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he is saying for the minimum of some squared error, what will be the value of n, right?
Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, understood up to here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Someone had correctly evaluated the value. It's -2. -2 is correct. Well done, Sonalika and Sedia. What is it? I am not able to pronounce. Sorry for that. It is correct. -2 is there. Okay. So how will you find? Just minimize it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let's find the formula. So here, as you can see, now, can we use the blank page?
Yes, sir.
Let's hope.
Much better.
Much better. Okay, what is your polynomial?
X cube plus 3x square plus n.
Fx is equals to x cube plus
3x square
square plus n.
plus n.
What is your data that we need to see?
-3, -2.
Can you show, sir,
At
five number question?
at -3, it was minus 3, -2, -1, 0. -3, -2, -1, 0.
-2.
-2, 2, 0, -2.
-2,
2,
0,
0,
-2.
-2.
-2. Okay. Now this is your point. So basically this is your x1, this is your x2, this is your x3, this is your x4. Okay. This is your x1, this is your x2, this is your x3, and this is your x4. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. And after solving via machine, this will become your y1, y2,
y3, and
y3,
y3,
and y4.
y1.
Y4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
you have to minimize this yk minus fxk from k is equals to 1 to 4 square. Okay. You have to minimize this. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for x1, y1, what will be your y1 minus fx1? What is the value of this? Can someone
Minus
tell
2
me?
minus n to whole
-2
square. Minus n to the power whole square.
-2. Here
-27.
Square.
Erase the bracket.
-8, right? Just put -3 here.
27.
27, sorry. -27
Plus
then
27.
plus 27
Plus 27.
Plus
plus
n.
n. This will be cancelled
Whole
out. You will get -2
Yes.
plus n.
-2 plus n.
-2 plus n, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What will your y2 minus fx2?
2 minus.
-2. -2 plus n only, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. Just let's verify it. 2 cube is 8 plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 plus n.
Plus n.
-2 minus this will become minus, this will become minus. Here minus n will be there, right?
Yes, sir. Minus
Yes.
Minus n will be there. So what it will be?
So -2 minus whole square.
-2 minus n only.
And whole square, yes.
Whole square. Yeah.
-22 minus 10.
But we are finding this one only, no? So -2 minus n only, right?
Okay, then you whole square the error.
Okay. So what is y3 minus fx3? Can someone tell me?
So minus n.
Minus
0 minus.
Sorry. Put -1 here.
Yes, so put -1 in
0
equation.
-1
-1 plus 3 plus n.
-1
2 plus n.
minus n plus 3, no? Plus n, right?
Yes, sir.
It is 2 plus n only.
Plus n. Yes.
And
No,
what will
sir.
your, sorry, yes?
ये
You are
कोष्टक में
putting
रहेगा सर?
which one? Yeah. Sorry. Now fine.
Then we get -2 -1.
Yeah. And I am expecting that this will become also same.
Yes, so -2 -n to the power whole square.
Right. Now find this value. So as you can see, this is exactly same. So can I write this as 4 times 2 plus n to the whole square?
Minus.
Minus will become plus because you are squaring this term, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this thing you will get like this. Now you need to minimize this thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So here just open it. What you will get? N square plus 4 plus 2 to the 4n, right? So as you can see, this is your what? This is your quadratic equation. It means it is a parabola.
Yes.
Right? The leading term is positive. It means what? It will open upward, right? Like this. And minimum,
it's open up
minimum at x is equals to minus b by 2a.
Yes, sir.
Right? It is minus b by 2a only, right? Vertices.
Yes, sir.
Right? So what is the value of b here? 4.
-4 upon 2.
-4.
Minus 4 upon 2 into
2. 1.
1, no? So it will become
-2.
x is equals to -2. Then sorry, -2. Here what we are finding? Value of n, na? This polynomial with respect to n is a respect to n, right? So what will be your minimum? What will be your value of n is -2. It means that at n is equals to -2, this polynomial will have the minimum value, right?
Yes, sir.
So that you exactly need to find. That was your answer.
We can also found from the one equation 4 into 2 plus n to the whole square is equal to 0.
Yes.
Then we got the value of n is minus.
No. That we can find, but that is also one way. But you are expecting some errors. Okay. Here you can easily see, yeah, at x is equals to -1, this equation is giving me 0. So just put fx is equals to 0. You can say like this. Someone coming to me and then he will say, yeah, just find f of minus, just satisfy this equation, you will get n is equals to -2. But here you are expecting that this machine is giving you some error, and according to this that error, you need to minimizing that error, what will be the value of n, right?
Excuse me, sir. SSC always no minimum error.
No, not always. If there is some error,
no, not this particular question.
For this SSC
means some square error.
And you have no. This is not always minimum. For this question, you need to minimize this error, or for minimizing this error, what will be the value of n that you need to find?
Okay.
Okay.
Always not minimum.
Yeah, it is always
suppose
not.
That suppose SSC graph draw the and 2 point x-axis 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and down the points minimum value na SSC.
Just see, this is your SSC, right?
Yes.
Right. This equation is your SSC, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just take n is equals to 4. N is equals to 1. What you will get? 4 into
4 into 1
plus 4 plus 4. What it will be? 4 plus 4, 8, 1, 9. 9 4 36. This is your SSC for n is equals to 4. N is equals to 1. Is this minimum?
Yes.
Because you have one error which is minimum. Like if take n is equals to 0. For n is equals to 0, you will get 16, right? This is less than this. So this is not minimum, na? But this is SSC as well, because you are finding the you are just putting the different value of n and you are getting the error.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Is this problem is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can leave. Finish.
Sir, can you solve that question?
Okay.
How long this?
Can you share it once? We'll try.
Yes. Yes.
Others can leave the session. Okay.
Okay.
Can you solve me any question in this?
Visible?
I think one question chat box sent, sir.
Yeah, I'm just.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I send in chat box. Can you see?
Mayank, right?
No, sir. Abhishek.
No, actually, I'm not able to see.
Uh, sir,
Yeah, Abhishek, your question is visible to me.
sir, I'm always facing some problem in SSC question.
Okay. So, Susmita, this is from graded assignment?
No, sir. It's from previous year.
Previous year, okay. Susmita was calculating SSC, some squared error, and she found that SSC is function of follows this. Okay, quadratic equation. What will be the best fit value? Here, best fit value means you have to minimize this function only.
Minus b by 2.
Okay.
Sir, can you solve this question?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So what is your function? Can you tell me?
Wait a minute. Sir,
F of A is equals to?
A square minus
A square minus 8
Huh?
A plus 30.
8A plus
30.
30.
Minus
For minimizing this, you just see what is the leading coefficient? Leading coefficient is 1,
plus 1,
which is greater
yes,
than
sir.
0. It means it will open upwards and give negative value. Give minimum at
Yes, sir.
vertices. What will be the vertices? A is equals to minus b means 8 by
minus 8 by
2.
Yes, is 4.
4. That is your answer only. So at A is equals to 4, the value will be minimum. So what is question exactly asking?
Sir, but 4 is not in the option, sir.
No. Question is asking what will be the best fit value. Just put 4 here. You need to find f of 4.
Okay, sir.
What is your f of 4?
Sir, 16.
4 4 just 16 minus 8
Sir,
4 just
minus
32
2.
plus 30.
Sir, minus 2.
Minus 2. 8 4
No,
just
14.
Sir,
14,
14.
sir.
14.
14.
8 4 na. 8 4 is what? 32. And this will become minus 2. 14. So 14 is your correct answer. The second one.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. 14 is correct.
Sir, 14.
I think December term
Yeah.
question paper.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So consider two quadratic. Mayank, your question is visible. Are you guys able to see?
Sir, can you share the?
Sir, question is not visible on your screen, sir.
Just a minute. I am just trying. Actually, at one time, I can share only one slide. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Now I can't write here. The question is saying consider two quadratic function px and qx whose x-intercept are shown in figure 1. This. Okay, at E0, at C0, B0, and A0, px and qx are intersecting with it. Okay. The leading coefficient of both px and qx are 1. And y.
Just sir, leave, sir.
Sorry. Yeah. Others can leave.
Okay, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. the y-intercept with -27. Both function are intercepting at y-axis at -27, as you can see here. Okay. My pointer is showing now. My pointer is visible to you, Mayank?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So at -27,
What, sir?
both
Sorry, sir.
my pointer is
Yes,
visible
sir.
to
Yes,
you,
sir.
right? Okay. So here you can see the y-intercepting at -27 for both function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The axis of symmetric of qx is x is equals to 3. It means yes, because this for at x is equals to 3, the qx is symmetric, right? If
Yes,
you
sir.
go
Yes.
by this way or this way, both way graph will behaving like same. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Which is also passes through one of the zeros of px. It is showing there कि, this line will passes through 1 0 of this px. Okay, it means that
Yes.
one for at one root of this px, the line will pass. The line x is equals to 3 is passing. It means
Yes.
that at x is equals to 3, your first the one root of px is x is equals to 3. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
The line y is equals to d passes through the vertices of px. What is your vertices of px? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
d, y is equals to d. It means that if you draw a line like this,
Yes, sir.
just follow the pointer. I am not able to write here.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Got it.
Okay. So this line will passes y is equal to d passes through the vertices of px and qx
Yes,
as
sir.
well.
Yes, sir.
This d. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what is the question?
Okay, sir.
Sir, first we have to find the sum of BD and
Sir, a question actually is A plus B plus C.
You need
no,
to
no, not
find the
A.
value of a plus b plus d, right?
No, no, sir. We have to find A and we have to find the value of B plus C plus D.
I think
A plus
A,
b plus.
C find the value.
Okay, so we need firstly we need to find the value of a, b, and c, right? And d.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how will you find?
Sir, first
Okay,
we have to make equation of QX, sir. C is given -27 and A is given 1, sir.
Yes, so you can easily make the equation of px or sorry qx,
Yes, sir.
right?
It's sir
Sorry,
x square
px
minus.
for equation
Yes, sir.
of. So firstly, just okay, just find out the equation px. Okay.
No, sir. Equation of QX, sir. We can find the equation of
Yeah,
QX.
equation of qx because you have their vertices, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Sir, it's
At x is
x
equals
square
to
minus 6x minus 27. Equation of QX.
okay. So once you get the equation of qx,
We can
you
find
can
it
easily
root, sir.
find the value of c and b.
Yes, sir. We have found that, sir, successfully. C is -27 and
Yes.
B is 6, sir.
So your problem is finding the equation of px, right?
Yes, sir. Finding the equation of Px as well as, sir, root A.
Now, see,
Yes.
if you are able to find this value.
Yes, sir.
At x is equals to 3, you already found the value of qx, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Put x is equals to 3 at value of qx.
Sir, it will give 4. Sorry, it will give the value of vertex.
Yes, and you know that this what the line
Yes, sir.
the
I have
line y is
already.
equals to d is.
Yes, sir. I have found that, but I was saying how to find the equation of Px, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just listen to me
Okay, okay.
carefully.
Yes,
That's what
sir,
I'm
yes.
saying. Once you got the value of d,
Yes, sir.
one coordinate of this y coordinate of this value you can easily find, right?
Yes, sir. I have found it.
You found it. Now you
Yes,
need
sir.
to.
It's -36.
It's -36. Okay.
Yes.
Now whatever your px is equals to you need to find the solution of px is equals to what? Now you have one coordinate of this. So what
Yes.
what you need to actually find? Actually, my marker is not working here. Let me see if I am able to write.
Sir, can you see this question in next slide?
Yeah. Now it's fine now. Once see, suppose your px is looking like this. This is quadratic equation, as you know. Eraser is here. Are you able to write see this?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, it's visible.
okay. So it is a2x square plus a1x plus a3, right? Suppose sorry, a naught. Suppose this is your px. Okay, you have qx, right?
Yes, sir.
Now just put the value x is equals to 3. Just
Yes,
find
sir.
p3. You will get a system of linear equation p3 equals to 0. What you will get? 9a2 plus 3a1 plus a naught equal to 0, right?
Sir, we have already we have the value of a2. It will be 1. It's given leading coefficient of both p of x are.
Yes, it is 1. It is 1.
And
So
sir, c a naught will be minus 27.
why?
Sir, it's given and its y-intercept is minus 27.
I am not using that y-intercepting now. So if leading coefficient is 1, now you are considering that px is equals to x square plus a1x plus
Minus 27.
a2. Not this is not minus 27, because if just put x is equals to 0,
Yes.
you will get your net. So you need to find this a1 only, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, A1 is also, I mean, I have got the A1, but the problem is the equation is coming x square plus 6x minus 27.
X square plus
6x minus 27.
minus 27. So what's the issue? You got
Sir,
your
its
px.
roots are not coming right, sir. Means the value of A is not coming right. B plus D plus C is coming right, but the next part of question says find A,
Okay, so
which is a root of P of x.
So what is your root exactly for this question?
Yes, sir, I am not able to find right roots for this equation.
Okay, so you are basically, the question is how to find this root.
Yes.
Yes. So just
Yes,
go to the quadratic formula, no?
Yes, b square minus 4ac find d, and after minus.
You got one root, right?
Yes,
3?
yes, I got it.
So
Yes, sir.
x minus 3 is your one factor of this.
So we can divide it.
Just divide it. You will get your another factor.
Minus 9. A is equal to minus 9.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right?
Yes, it's right answer. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you solve this question again, because my net connection is so poor, so I'm not able.
Actually, time is already high. You just go through the recorded one, no?
Okay, sir. Sir, can you roughly explain?
I am here. You need to find the value of px and qx only. Once you got the value of this two quadratic equation, this two parabola, you are able to find this value.
Okay, sir.
That's it. You have proper data to solve this question. Okay.
Okay, sir. Let me try.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I'm trying this question before 2 days.
Okay. Now you just go and solve again, or you
Okay.
you
Sir,
just go through the live one. Okay.
Sir, other session are here. In here.
Other so tomorrow we have a math 2 session at 7, I guess. On that particular session we will solve some PYQs.
Sir, what time in time? What is the
Time will be 7.
Sir,
Yes.
PM and AM, sir. Sorry.
Night time, evening time, in the evening time.
Sir,
7.
actually, sir, I'm saying this, sir, my calendar timing and live class timing is not match.
Okay. Did
No,
you
sir,
ask
change
this
the
for?
time zone.
What, sir?
So, where
So
are you
tomorrow
from?
is 8 to 10 revision session.
Change
Yes,
your
sir.
calendar time zone.
Sir, you are saying maths too, but we are qualified students, so we are not able to see that.
Okay, they will inform you via mail. Okay.
So if the session is
This
over.
is for this. Yeah. You can leave the session. This is for qualifier student only, I guess.
So
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
is 8 to 10 session, practice session tomorrow is.
Daytime. Yeah, at 8 to 10. I am saying 7 to 8. 1 hour
No, sir,
session.
there is no, sir, there is not any session from 7.
Okay, let me ask to my senior and then I will take.
Sir,
Okay,
but
sir.
we have stat session at
Sir,
6 p.m.
so tomorrow
7.
is the maths revision session
6 to 8,
6 to
sir.
8
8.
p.m. to 10 p.m.
6 p.m. to
8 p.m.
6 to
sir
8
is stats
statics.
revision.
just a minute. What session tomorrow? What will be the schedule of tomorrow?
Math
Sir, should I speak?
tomorrow.
Math 2 session.
No, sir,
maths one.
No, sir.
One by one, please. One by one.
actually, sir, tomorrow we have first 3 to 5 CT, then 5 to 6 English, 6 to 8 statistics, and then we have 8 to 10 revision session of maths.
Maths 1, maths 2.
Sir, revision session 1, sir. Sir, we are
Okay.
One
qualified
maths,
students,
one.
so maths 2 will. Yes,
Math
sir,
1.
maths 2. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Whatever schedule will be, we'll inform you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.